So there is a question. I told you that we will solve this today. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at end of 2 minute 20 seconds from his initial position? So first of all, when you are doing physics, okay, first of all, write what is given. So what is given? That there is a farmer and who is, there is a field and this is A, B, C and D, and every side of field is 10 kilometer, sorry, 10 meter. Another side of field is 10 meter. Another side of field is 10 meter. And this side of field is 10 meter. And a farmer moves and completes one round. It goes from A to D, D to C, C to B, and B to A, and it completes one round for every side is 10 meters. So think that this is farmer and this farmer moves A to B, A to B, B to C and C to D. Okay. This is A side, this is B side, this is C side and this is D side, and finally A to B is 10 meter, B to C is again 10 meter, C to D is again 10 meter and D to A is again 10 meter, and this farmer moves from A to B and then it moves from B to C, then it moves from C to D, and then again it moves from D to A. Okay, so it moves in such manner. So it is moving A to B, B to C, A to D, D to C. Okay, you can move in any way. So it is moving here to there. It is moving like this. So A to B is 10 meter. Okay, it is writing, it is written in question that 10 meter. A to B, again B to C, again C to D, and again D to A. So A to B is 10 meter, B to C is again 10 meter, C to D is again 10 meter, and D to A is again 10 meter. It is written. So total 40 meter. So farmer is traveling 40 meter in 40 seconds. It is written, it is given to me in 40 seconds. So it is taking actually one round. When A to B, B to C, and C to D, and D to A, again it returns to A, and this A is known as origin. This is known as an origin. So actually it completes one round. This is one round, and one round is of 40 meter, and it completes 40 meter in 40 seconds. It is clear? So it is taking one round, and then it is given to us. Now you have to find something. Now you have to find something. What to be find? Now you have to find that what will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at end of 2 minute 20 second. At the end of 2 minute 20 second, I have to find, remember what is magnitude? Magnitude is I have to find something in physical quantity or numerical value. I have to find something in numerical value, that I have to find something in 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 meter, 2 meter. That is magnitude. So don't worry that what is magnitude. I have to find any numerical value. So here I have to find that if farmer completes one round, again it reaches to its origin. So it completes one round in 40 meter. This is 40 meter in 40 seconds. It is given to me. So I have to find that how many round it will complete in 2 minutes 20 seconds. It is written 2 minutes 20 seconds. And what will be the displacement? 2 minutes 20 seconds. I have to find what will be the displacement. And we know that what is displacement. We studied about that. What is displacement? So first of all, I'm taking the data that if for 40 seconds, in 40 seconds, it is completing 40 meter. So how many seconds are in 2 minutes and 20 seconds? So I have to convert 2 minutes 20 seconds in seconds. So I have to multiply 2 with 60 because in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in 2 minutes I have to multiply this 2 with 60 and then I will put 20 because 20 seconds are as such. So it will be 140 seconds. So if my question is, if farmer is completing or farmer completes farmer completes 40 meter in 40 second. Okay, so I have to find that in 140 second how much meter he will complete. So if he complete 40 meter in 40 second, it is given. So in 140 second he will complete 140 meter. Okay, how I cut it? Remember that this second is in numerator and this second is in denominator. Remember, this second is in numerator and this second is in denominator. So both of them will get cut. One numerator and one denominator, both of them will cut. But I cannot cut meter because I cannot find anything, or I cannot find another meter I can cut with this meter. So numerator and denominator values can be cut. You are very clear about this, that one value is in numerator and another value is in denominator. It both of them can get cut. Now it is meter, only meter is left. Okay, it will cut, only meter is left and 140 is left. So I will write 140 meter. I cannot cut meter. I don't have another meter to cut. Then I will cut with second and second because 1 second is in numerator and another second is in denominator. So finally, I am having 140 meter here. So in 220 second or in 140 second, into 2 meter, sorry, 2 minute 20 second, 2 minute 20 second, that is equal to 140 second. So in 140 second, in 140 second, farmer will complete 140 meter. I found this. Okay, by taking that data, this data. Now the question, another thing is that it is completing one round. Okay, again it is reaching to A. Okay, when it is completing one round, what happens? That when this farmer is completing one round, when this farmer is completing one round, A to B, B to C, C to D, and again it is coming to A. We know this, again it is coming to A. So it is completing one round. So it is completing one round in 40 meter and in 40 second it is given. So now I am having 140 second and I am having 140 meter. So I have to find rounds. So I will find rounds. If one round takes 40 second and it completes 1 meter, one round takes 40 seconds and in 40 seconds complete 40 meter. So I have to find that if the farmer is having 140 second and in 140 second it complete 140 meter, then I have to find how many rounds are there. So I'm writing that for 40 second, in 40 second it will complete one round. Then in 140 second, how many rounds are there? Okay, so now see that this second is in denominator and this second is in numerator. This second is in numerator and this second is in denominator. This is second is in numerator and this second is in denominator. So both of them will get cut. I can cut them. Yes. So total round is 140 upon 40, 140 round upon 40, you can see, and it will have 3.5 round. So it is having 3.5 round. Now I have to see that after 3.5 round where farmer will establish. First of all, I'm starting with farmer. Okay, it will take one round. Okay, this is one round, complete one round. Again, it is starting two round. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second round, okay, again third round. 1, okay, again third round. That is third round. So three rounds are completed. Okay, first round is complete. Second round is complete, and after completing of third round, again he is at A, and A is his origin. Now it is the total rounds are 3.5 rounds. So 3 rounds are complete. I know that 3 rounds are complete. Now half round is left. Half round is left. So for completion of half round, for another half round, okay, he will go from A to B, and when he is B to C, remember he another after in last round, okay, last round is half round, remember that he have to complete last round or another half round, remember. So he will start and he will not complete a full round, he will complete only half round. So for this he will go A to B and he will go B to C, okay, and he will stuck here. He will stuck here because he have to complete only half round. He will not go from C to D and D to A, okay. So he will go from A to B and again he will go from B to C and he will stuck here. So he will stuck here and he will stuck at C. So he will stuck at C and this is C point. So he will stuck at C and he will remain here. Okay. Now farmer, after completing half round, he is at C. Okay, so 3 rounds are complete. 3 rounds are fully complete, and at after half round he is at C. So he started his position from A. Remember, he started his position from A. Okay, now I have to find that what is total distance and what is total displacement. So first of all, what is total distance? What is total distance? What is total distance? For first round, I know that in one round or first round, in one round, it takes 40 seconds and it completes 40 meter. So in one round, it takes 40 seconds and it completes 40 meter. Yes. In second round, it takes 80 seconds. Okay, 40 plus 40, 80, and it completes 80 meter. In third round, it completes 120 seconds and it completes 120 meter. And in third and half round, okay, it will use only another 20 seconds. So instead of using doing plus 40, I'm doing only plus 20, because if he is completing one round in 40 seconds and two round in 80 seconds, so in for half round he will use another 20 seconds. So he will use only 140 seconds and he will complete 140 meter. So in last round or last round is half. So total distance he traveled, you have to know that total distance he traveled, total distance he took. Okay, total distance for first round, again for second round, again for third round, and again for half round, So total distance he traveled is total distance, how he total traveled. So total distance is actually 140 meter. Okay, now what is displacement? I told you what is displacement. Displacement is shortest distance. I told you that shortest distance. So shortest distance, or I told you that displacement is shortcut. In last class, we studied that displacement is actually a shortcut. We know this. We studied this. The displacement can be a shortcut. So instead from going here and from here to here, okay, it will use shortcut. You know this, and this is the shortcut. From A to C, this is a shortcut. And displacement is shortcut. We know this. I told you this in last class, that it is shortcut. Displacement is shortcut. You know this, that displacement is shortcut. You know this. Okay. So this is a shortcut, and in this shortcut the farmer is A to C. Now you can see that it is a triangle here. It is a triangle here. So I have to find what is the distance between A to C, or what is displacement between A to C. So I have to find only A to C value, because I am not going here to here and here to here to find this, because I have to find displacement and I have find distance. So this is distance, and for displacement, you know what is displacement. If you have any doubt, you can write me in chat box. Don't hesitate for asking. Okay, so you can see that it is A, C, and D, and this is a triangle. You can see this. And the names are displacement can be zero if any or object start from origin and again it reaches to origin, then it is considered as zero. When it starts from origin and again it reaches to origin. So this is A, B, and C. You can see here. So it is A, D, and A. Farhan, I will tell you after finishing this question, okay, because this question, I need to finish this question today. So I will tell you this after finishing this particular this question. Okay, I will tell you first after finishing this question, because this question is, if it will stuck, okay, I have to start this again. Okay, so this is D, this is A, this is D, and this is C. A to D is 10 meter. I don't know about this. Okay, this is actually hypotenuse. You know, A to D is hypotenuse. It is 10 meter, and A to C is 10 meter. I have to find this value. So this is hypotenuse, and for hypotenuse we are having a formula. So I can write, which is actually C, and this is D. So AC is equals to CD plus AD. Okay, that is a formula. So AC is hypotenuse and CD is, what is the value of CD? That is 10 meter square. And what is the value of AD? It is again 10 meter square. So AC is equals to 100 meter plus 100 meter. Again AC is equals to 200, and again AC is equals to 2 into 100. Now I will remove root from 100, and AC will be root 2 into 100. So AC is equals to, what is the value of root 2? The value of root 2 is 1.41, and what this is 100. Sorry, I removed this, so I have to write 10 here. Sorry, this is 10 because I removed root from here. Okay, and it is 10, and AC will be 14.10. AC will be 14.10 meters. So this is 14.10 meter, and that is displacement. Why this is displacement? Because it is from here to here. Okay, we have to find only the position C, because this is displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is shortcut. That is a shortcut. So we have to write displacement as shortcut. And for distance, I calculated every value. For distance, I calculated every type of value. Okay, for distance, I calculated every value. That is A, B, C, and D. That is 10 meter. That is 10 meter. That is 10 meter, and that is 10 meter. So for all 3.5 round, I calculated for 3.5 round, I calculated 140 meter. That is distance, because for distance you have to calculate everything. But what is displacement? How far he is from origin. So actually he is only this much far from his origin A to C, and I have to find that how far he is from origin, and his origin is at A. That is origin. Okay, that is origin. How far is from origin? That is origin. So I have to find this, that what how far is from origin. And I told you that distance displacement can be shortcut. So I have to answer in shortcut, and this is a triangle, and after making triangle I can answer this question. So that is the gap, or that is the displacement or distance, that is 14.10 meter. Okay, so I can find the displacement between A and C. Now if you have any problem in particular this question, then you can ask me. For distance and displacement, I will tell you after this question. First of all, clear this question. If you have any doubt in this particular question, write me in chat box if you have doubt in any particular question. No one is having doubt. Everyone is clear. Everyone is clear. Very good. If everyone is clear, then very good. I think don't hesitate. First of all, remember, don't hesitate. If you hesitate, then doubts will be not clear, and if doubts will be not clear, then you have to do very big type of numericals. Okay, you have to do huge numericals in same chapter. So be clear about that. Everything is clear. Personally, can you write, everyone? Can you write only for this particular chapter, particular question? Everything is clear? Nitya is clear. Okay. Okay. So, Farhan, I will tell you, I will clear your doubt. Don't worry about that. I will tell sir, and I will tell you about this. Don't worry. So, first of all, I'm starting a new topic. Don't worry about that. I will definitely, I'm going to tell you. Okay. Now new topic is, because right now we we don't you don't need to deal with distance and displacement that much in upcoming topics. Now we have to learn about uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay, what is uniform? In schools every one of us wear same uniform. What is the meaning of uniform? We are having uniform. Okay, why we are having uniform? Because because our teacher wants to look us same. Okay, so uniform means same. And what is the meaning of non-uniform? The meaning of non-uniform is not same or different. So uniform and non-uniform motion. You know what is motion? When any object moves from one place to another place, from A to B. If any object moves from A to B, it is known as motion. Any object changes its position with respect to time, this is known as motion. So uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Now, first of all, I want to give you one example. The gap is actually 16 meter. Now, from here to here, it is 4 meter. From here to here, it is again 4 meter. From here to here, it is again 4 meter. And from here to here, it is again 4 meter. It is 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, and 4 meter. Now I am having a car, and my car completes this 4 meter in 2 seconds. another 4 meter in 2 seconds, another 4 meter in 2 seconds, and another 4 meter in 2 seconds. So that is known as uniform. Okay, what is uniform motion? The uniform motion is object covers equal distances in equal interval of time. So you can see that distance is equal every criteria or every limit I made. Okay, I differentiate or I divide 60 meter in 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 section, and it is completing, a car is completing 4 meter in 2 seconds, another 4 meter in 2 seconds, another 4 meter in 2 seconds, and another 4 meter in 2 seconds. So this is known as uniform motion. What is uniform motion? Equal time and equal distance. Equal time and equal distance, you can see this clearly. Now about non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. This is 16 meter. This is point A and this is point B. First section is 4 meter. Second section is 4 meter. Third section is 4 meter and last section is 4 meter. 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter and 4 meter. Now this 4 meter is completed in 2 seconds. This 4 meter is completed in 5 seconds. Now a traffic police sees this car and car owner is not having license. So he drive car very fast and complete 4 meter in 1 second. And another 4 meter, he relax and complete another 4 meter in 10 seconds. Now you can see that both distances and time change. For first 4 meter, he takes 2 seconds. For another 4 meter, he takes 5 seconds. For another 4 meter, he takes 1 second. And for another 4 meter, he takes 10 seconds. So you can see that there is no uniform motion. What is the meaning of no uniform motion? Time interval and the distance interval is different. Okay, either it is having same distance, but the time interval is different. 2 second, 5 second, 1 second, 10 second. Okay, here you can see that every section he covered 4 meter section in 2 seconds, but here you can see that every section he covered in different time period. So it is known as non-uniform motion. Now let me show you a video. I'm showing you a video right now. If you are not able to see this, inform me. I'm running a video here. Due to any issue, if you are not able to, internet issue, if you are not able to see video, then write me. This is car. Everyone knows. Okay, I don't need to tell you that this is car. 0 meter in 2 seconds. Okay, 4 meter in 2 seconds. Another 4 meter in 2 seconds. Another 4 meter in 2 seconds. Okay, why this is 8? Because 4 plus 4 is 8. Another 4 meter in 2 seconds. And another 4 meter in 2 seconds. You know 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 4 is 16. So this is known as uniform motion. This is uniform motion. The gap is same and time duration is same. And what about non-uniform motion? In non-uniform motion, you can see that it is 16 meter. Time is total 8 seconds. Okay, now look this carefully. It completes 4 meter in first 2 seconds, 2 meter in first 2 seconds. Okay, It completes another 6 meter in 2 seconds. It completes another 10 meter in 2 seconds, and it completes another time in 2 seconds. Okay, now in this case, you can see in this case what I show you. Okay, in this case, you can see that this thing is same, that distance is same. Okay, and in that case, what I have show you, in this particular that case, I have show you video that in particular that case, time is same, but distance is different. Okay, so it is non-uniform motion. Okay, so uniform motion, both things can be same or should be same, equal distance and equal time, interval of time. But for non-uniform motion, okay, anything can be different. Either time zone can be different, or either distance can be different. Okay, both of them can be different, both of them can be different, both of them can be different, or any one of them can be different. So this is non-uniform motion, and non-uniform motion brings you so many things. So finally, with uniform motion, this is my uniform motion, remember, and with uniform motion, I can have same speed. Uniform motion, I can have same speed. Now I want to tell you that what is the difference between speed and velocity. First of all, speed and velocity. First of all, I want to tell you what is the formula of speed. Formula of speed is distance upon time. And what is the formula of velocity? Displacement upon time. Now I told you one thing, that distance doesn't know about direction. It never understand that where is direction. It is either it is going from south to north, or north to south, or east to west, or west to east. It is just going. What is the meaning of speed? It is just going. And what is the meaning of velocity? It is going from south to north, or house to school, or school to house, or school to mall. Okay, from Delhi to Jaipur. So it is velocity knows this. Okay, so the formula of speed is distance upon time, and the formula of velocity is displacement upon time. So displacement is a vector thing. I told you what is the meaning of vector. It knows about the direction. So velocity also knows about direction. There is only difference between speed and velocity. Everything is same, but speed doesn't know about direction and velocities know about direction. So in particularly in uniform motion, you can see in uniform motion 4 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 4 upon 2, and 4 upon 2. So I am writing uniform motion, and I try to find out speed or velocity for uniform motion, from uniform motion, from uniform motion. So in first case of uniform motion, I am having distance in first case, this is my second case, this is my third case, and this is my fourth case of whole route. So for uniform motion, I'm trying to find distance, speed and velocity. Now if I will say speed, now I don't know about direction. And in same thing, if I say that the car is going from Delhi to Mumbai, then I can find velocity. Remember this thing. Okay, so if it is written Delhi to Mumbai, I can find speed and velocity. And if it is not written that Delhi to Mumbai, then I can find only speed. The only difference between speed and velocity is direction. So I am having direction, I can find both. And if I'm not having direction, I can find only speed, because velocity always goes with direction. So in this whole journey, I'm having 4 sections: section number 1, section number 2, section number 3, section number 4. Okay, and the motion is uniform motion, and from out of this uniform motion, I'm trying to find speed or velocity. Both can be find. So uniform motion, I'm trying to find speed or velocity. Remember that if it is if the question mentions me about direction, I can find velocity. If it doesn't mentions me about direction, I can find speed. Okay, the difference is only about direction. So what is the formula of speed? The formula of speed is distance upon time. Okay, now what is a distance in first case? It is 4 meter. And what is time? It is 2 seconds. Now what is distance in second case? It is 4 meter and time is 2 seconds. What is distance in third case? It is 4 meter and time is 2 seconds in third case. And what is for fourth case? For fourth case, distance is 4 meter and time is 2 seconds. You can see first case, second case, third case, and fourth case. Okay, now I will cut them. Okay, and I cannot cut meter and second because meter and second are in numerator and denominator, but both of them are different things. Meter for distance and second for time. So I will write 2 here, I will write 2 here, I will write 2 here, and I will write 2 here. And when I place this second from denominator to numerator, remember, when I move this second from denominator to numerator, I'm not changing meter, but I'm replacing second. So it will be like per second, meter per second, 2 meter per second, and again it is 2 meter per second. So this per second, meter per second, is unit of speed or velocity as well. Okay, if there is no direction, I will say that this is speed. Now if there is direction, I will say this is velocity. Both things are same, there is no difference, only the difference is direction. Okay, so I can find speed if I'm having no direction, and velocity if I'm having direction. If I'm having direction, I can find speed and velocity both. Speed doesn't have any problem or ego if I'm going for direction or not. Okay, so in this case, you can see I'm having same velocity. You can see I'm having same velocity, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. I'm having same velocity, or I'm having same speed. I'm having same velocity, I'm having same speed if I'm having uniform motion. You can see out of uniform motion, I'm able to find same velocity or same speed. Okay, both of them are same, only the difference is of direction, otherwise everything is same. Okay, so same uniform motion, or uniform motion brings same velocity and same speed, you can see. Okay, in next class we will learn about non-uniform motion and how you have to deal with non-uniform motion. Finishing my class for today. I will tell you this, Bacha Farhan, I will tell you this. Okay, don't worry about that.